Champaign, Illinois, and we are doing a lead generation class today. The morning session that we are in the middle of is Facebook lead generation. We're going to be doing Google this afternoon. And then day 2 tomorrow is going to be the power of KW Tech. But just so far through just a couple hours of a 2-day class, we've already generated a tremendous amount of leads. And everybody up here, smile to the camera, everybody up here has generated some leads. And we've got how many leads?
It was 15 contacts.
15 contacts. 1, 2, 3, 2.
4 leads, 8 shares.
4 leads, 8 shares. I mean, she's got 8 people who actually like her and are out there sharing for her, which is great. But she's got 4 leads, so far she's the winner. 2? 1? 2. So we got leads that are happening right here, right now in class. It's that easy to be interactive and generate this business. So that's why we are doing these sessions. If you are interested in having a session like this come out to your area, just contact me at michael@treadhart.com. Thanks so much.